Okay, listen. Saying we care about our customer success is a standard line that pretty much every company puts out there. You know that. We know that. But here at Hennig, it still has to be said. Because honestly, we care about protecting our customer success so much that it's built into everything we make. Need your productivity protected? Our world-class chip conveyor and filtration systems do the job all day and every day. Does your equipment need protection? Count on our machine enclosures, weight covers, and aprons to be the shield that keeps equipment safe. And of course, your people deserve protection too. That's why we design and manufacture a diverse range of safety products that guard your people and your bottom line. We do a lot at Hennig, but really, our differentiator is a simple one. When the equipment and people that make you special need protection, we will be there. Hennig. Protect your success.